question that is given here is the question. Number 3. Question number 3 is given in your book. Acha, everybody should write the answer in your
Ma'am,
copy.
we
not
cannot.
in book.
Ma'am, I cannot see. The no calculator cannot store information. This is written.
Oh, acha, okay, wait, I am showing it properly, beta, wait. Yes, information and instruction, okay. What is question number 3? Can a calculator store information and instruction? Can a calculator store information and instruction? The answer will be no. A computer can store, yes, though. So write the answer of the third one, no. A calculator cannot store information and instruction.
Ma'am, I can write question and answer.
No, I told only answer. In your copy, only answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, this one is the answer of the third one. Fourth one is given. The question is, what type of information can a calculator process? What type of information can a calculator process? The answer is a calculator can process only numeric information. Only numeric information. Stop talking. Stop talking. Mute yourself. Now
Ma'am,
the
it is the
fifth one.
ma'am, it is
Exactly,
the
only only answer, and by the way, talk in English. The fifth one. What type of information a computer process? What type of information can a computer process? A computer can process numeric information as well as non-numeric information and instruction. Okay. Calculator can process only numeric information, but computer can process numeric as well as non-numeric. Only answer.
Ma'am, এটা শুধু আনসারই লেখা আছে।
Oh yes, only answer. Only answer. Aditya, your name is written Agni. Okay, you will have to rename yourself. Huh? Aditya Banerjee, just rename yourself. Completed?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Achha, okay, okay, I am waiting.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Achha, okay, let me wait for the others. Okay, I'll wait for 3 minutes more. Okay. Achha, those who have not completed number 2, those who have not completed number 2, I'm also showing number 2 here. Complete it first. Here is the next chapter. Here is the next chapter, chapter 9, Internet and Multimedia. Now, what to learn here? Basically, we will learn how to use internet. Okay, what are the uses of internet? We will learn. Now look. Mark, take a pencil and mark on your book. Okay. The internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. Acha, global means Global means all over the world. Understood? All over the world. Okay, all over the world. Basically, internet is doing what? Internet is a global network connect. Okay, a global network that connects million of computers. Okay, suppose from Howrah to Kolkata. Okay, from Delhi to Mumbai. Okay, from India to Afghanistan. Okay, India to Australia. Anywhere, all over the world. Okay, we can contact, we can communicate. Okay, through this internet, with the help of this internet. This one clear? Mohammad Riaz, are you marking or not? Okay, now just mark this one. Acha, okay. Next one. Mark this one. Many computers can communicate with each other as long they are connected to the internet. Just look to the internet. You are doing the classes. Yes, you are at your home and I am in my home, right? Suppose you stay in Bagnan, I stay in Howrah. So we are connected to each other. Yes, so Rishabh, Ishan, understood? Yes, okay. Now just mark this. Yes, okay. The internet is a huge ocean of information and resources and services. Okay. Sorry. Mark this one. Mark everybody. Okay. Then I'm clearing this one and I'm moving for the next one. Okay, now let me show you one thing. Acha, the word internet. Let me explain the word internet. Okay, basically this word is the combination of two things. Okay, first one is inter. Look, this one I have taken this inter. Second one is this net. Okay, this inter means between. Okay, and this net means communication or connection. You can say connection. Okay, now again I'm explaining. Look, that word from which this word is coming. It is the combination of two things, the word inter and the word net. Then when we join them, it is formed internet. Internet, okay? Now inter means what? Inter means between. Net means connection. So connection between. Understood? Connection between one country to another country, one people to another people. Understood or not? Is it clear, Lamia? Okay. Acha, now Devattam, Sriham, understood to Devi, Pushpak. I'm not taking the name individually. Just if all of you understood, shake your head better.
I'm
Yes,
not
Arachha.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay, let me explain again. This word internet, I told you internet connect. Acha, Aratrika, you are doing the online classes. You are doing online classes too, right
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Through which you are connected. Acha, look, I am teaching, right? Here I am the teacher and you are student. I am teaching you and you listen to me and you are writing all those things. You are trying to understand. Yes, so Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
But Aratrika, through which you are connected with me because you stay at Bagnan too.
Yes.
Yes, but I don't stay at Bagnan. Okay, suppose I stay at Howrah. Okay, so how you are connected with me?
Internet.
Through exactly. Now it is understood too. So that's why
Yes,
look,
ma'am, I have understood.
internet. Wait. Inter means I told between, okay? And net means connection. Now, Aratrika, so through
Yes.
internet, it connect you and me. It is the connection between you and me. That means internet connects you and me. Is it clear to everybody? Ankon, Aditya?
Yes,
You will write this.
Okay. Acha, no, basically it is already
Yes,
given in
ma'am,
your
I
book.
can
Let me
understand.
show you. Yes, it
Ma'am,
is
I
here.
can
Huh? Look.
understand.
Okay, beta. Now look at this. Mark this one. Look, it is no need to write. It is already given in your book. The word internet is made up of two words. Look, I told you it is the combination of two words. First one is inter, second one is net. Inter means between, net means connection. Just now I told you. It is clearly written in your book. Okay, Ankon Patra. At what you are looking?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of multimedia?
Multimedia, I'll come, beta. I will come, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, at first try to understand internet, okay? Then I'm coming to multimedia.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now look at this. So internet means connection of many computers with each other. Yes? Acha, now look. When two or more computers are connected together, it is called network. So what is network? When two or more computers are connected together. Now look. You are using a computer, Ankon, you are using computer. Yes. Shaptorshi, you are also using computer. Yes.
Ma'am,
Sure. Rishi, everybody. Acha, some students are using mobile.
I am using mobile.
Acha, okay, listen to me, beta. You are using mobile or laptop or computer. Yes, beta, I can hear you now. No need to say individually. No need to say individually. Okay. Now keep quiet. Let me explain this thing. Okay, beta. Now listen to me. No need to say it individually. That means all of we using.
Doing computer.
I told you, are you listening to me? Do you understand English better? I told you, now keep quiet. Look, all of we either using computer or yes, just mute yourself. Okay, now that means all of we either using computer, laptop or mobile, whatever. But the fact is, we are connected to each other together at a time. Look, we 35 or 34 people are connected. We people are connected to each other. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So that is called network. Network. Understood? All the student understood too? Yes or no? As more than two or okay, two or more than two people are connected or computer are connected, then it is called network. Okay. Now, here, hi, yes, Alvira. Same. Yes, Alvira, beta, same. Your question is one people cannot connect through internet. Beta, if one people connected through the internet, then definitely you should be connected with another thing, na? Suppose you are searching for a cartoon in YouTube. That means you are connected with internet, through internet, okay? But with definitely another thing, na? Then only you can use the internet. Alvira, understood? Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, beta. Achha, now look, there are no boundaries and barriers for the internet. Okay, that means no limitation is there. We can share data, information, program, and messages. Okay. Acha, now equipments required for using internet. Now equipment you requires for using internet. Okay. Acha. What do you mean by my screen is not is the screen visible to you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
not visible. Now
Yes,
visible?
I can visual.
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Now it is visible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now everybody mute yourself. Mohammed Riaz, everybody mute yourself, mute yourself. Okay, now look. Equipment required for using computer. Acha, do you know what is the meaning of equipments? Equipments means the things which are required, the required things. To connect, to use internet, we need something, okay, some important things. First one is computer, then modem, web browser, okay, next one telephone line. Okay, through modem we can use internet, or we can also use cable internet, okay, but then also we need these equipments, okay.
But what is modem, ma'am?
Modem, that is a small thing, looks like this. Wait, I'm drawing it. It is a small connector, looks like this. Okay, through this we should connect with the laptop or computer, and we can use the, basically in modem we have to use a SIM card, okay. Then
Ma'am,
through that,
the madam picture is like the ice cream.
no, not like the ice cream. I have drawn it better larger. That's why it shows like the ice cream exactly. But here, there are some features, okay. Through SIM card, okay. In mobile, we are using SIM card too. So we can insert the SIM card in that modem, okay. And we can insert that modem, including that SIM card, okay, inside the computer or laptop. Then we can use the network. And which network it will give? It will provide the SIM card which are using inside that modem. Suppose Airtel, then it will use Airtel network. Okay, suppose Jio, it will use Jio network. Understood, beta? Is it
And
clear?
what is internet service provider?
Yes, see, beta, I am unable to hear you properly. Service, yes, internet service provider means, look, suppose you are using the internet, you are using cable net. There is a person who provide you the internet. That's why you can use that internet cable network, okay. Suppose it will be very much easy for you to understand. Suppose you are using, when you are watching TV, there are so many Pogo cartoon channels, na? So a cable operator is there who provides a network cable. That's why we can use this, na? Understood? So जो इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसको कहते हैं प्रोवाइडर. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? Who gives us that facility? Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now up to this, done to. Acha, I will start the next one on Tuesday. Okay, coming Tuesday. Acha, only up to this today. From page number 65, I will start on the in the next class.
What
Now I want to check each and every copy. Now I want to check each and every. Acha, this thing again I will explain you, computer, modem, web browser, and telephone line. Okay. Tomorrow on the next class I will explain again. Now let me check the copy. The time is over already.